Welcome back to Gear YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Vivaldi browser as your default PDF viewer on Windows 10 PC. For this, select any PDF file and then right click on it. Then select this one Open with option in the pop-up menu and then click on this one Choose another app. In the pop-up window, select Vivaldi and then click on this one always use this app to open .pdf files option and then click on this one OK button. From now onwards, whenever you will double click on any PDF file on your Windows 10 PC, it will automatically open with Vivaldi browser like this.